Hi, my name is Miss Mahrukh and I am a mathematics tutor. Today we are going to do a topic. It is called negative number, how you can do adding and subtracting the negative number. But before, you need to understand how the number line it is work. This is my number line. Uh, the middle number it is 0. After the 0 you have some positive number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are my positive number. It is keep going on. Before the 0 it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so and this is just keep going on. Okay, this number it is smaller than this number. -6 it is basically smaller than -5. Whatever the number you have previous number, okay, it is smaller than, and this is keep increasing order. Okay, these number are greater than the previous number. So let's talk about it, how you can do adding and subtracting the negative number. So let's suppose we have a question, 2 minus 3. First digit it is 2, right? You need to plot 2 on the number line. And now you need to subtract 3, which meaning is you need to move 3 unit left. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, now look, before the 2 you have a number 1, and this is 0, and this is -1. So that's why my answer it is -1. Okay, next we have a question, 4 minus 9. Again you need to plot 4 on the number line, and this is -9. It is not +9. It is -9, which meaning is 9 unit left. So draw 4 lines. Draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need to go 9 unit left. Okay. So before the 4 it is 3, and before 3 it is 2, and then before 2 it is 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So my answer it is -5. Okay. Let's try the question, -1, -5. First digit it is -1. You need to plot first digit on the number line. I plotted. Now -5, which meaning is you need to go 5 unit left. Okay, so look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going 5 unit left. Why? Because it is -5. Okay, now look, this is -1. Before -1 it is, if you are putting 0, then you must be wrong. If you remember your number line, before -1 the digit it is -2, and then -3, and then -4. Okay, so before the -1 it is -2, and then -3, -4, -5, -6. So that's why my answer it is -6. Do you understand? Okay, let's try another question. If you have a question, -8 -5. Okay, let's try it. First of all, you need to plot, this is your number line. Okay, you need to plot the first number, that is -8. Okay, because whatever the first number is, you need to plot on the number line. Then after that you have a -5. So tell me, -5 meaning is 5 unit left or 5 unit right? 5 unit left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just moving left hand side, 5 digit. Okay, so before the -8 the digit it is called -9, and then -10, -11, -12, -13. So that's why your answer is -13. We can do some question for positive as well, just to make sure you understand. Let's suppose you have a question, -20 plus 11. Your first digit it is -20. Okay, so plot -20 on the number line. I did. Whatever the first digit, you need to plot on the number line. Okay, but right now this is plus 11. So plus 11 meaning is 11 unit left or right? Right, because it is +11. So, okay. So then you need to draw 11 lines, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are total 11 lines, okay? This number it is called. What is the number after minus 20? It is minus 19 is bigger than minus 20 and then minus 18. And this is minus 17. This is minus 16. This is minus 15, minus 14. This is called minus 13. This is minus 12. This is called minus 11. This is minus 10. And this is minus 9. So I have answered that is minus 9. Remember, if you are going back side, okay, so previous number is minus 19, minus 18. And if you're going back side, so it is minus 21, minus 22, minus 23. Do you remember the pattern on the number line? For the negative numbers, okay, minus 6, it is less than minus 5. These numbers are bigger than the previous number, okay? One more thing you need to understand, that is whenever you are adding or subtracting, whenever you are see the same sign, I mean like plus plus, so I'll plus which meaning is like plus, okay? Let's suppose I'm saying 5 plus 3. So whenever you have two signs together and both are plus sign, which means 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. But sometimes what happen is, this thing you need to remember, and the second thing is sometimes you have minus sign. Both minus sign will be together. This meaning is plus, okay? Let's suppose I have a question that is 3 minus 1. So you have two sign, minus, and we know that minus which meaning is plus. So you need to put direct plus 1. 3 plus 1, which is 4. Okay. But sometimes you have different sign. Example, like one is plus and other is minus, and one is minus and second is plus. In that case, you need to put minus, okay? Let's try these question. If you have a question 6 plus minus 1, okay? So you know that plus minus make, if you remember, minus. I need to put one sign, that is minus. 6 minus 1, which is become 5. Okay. What about 8 minus plus 4? So you know that plus minus make minus. 8 minus 4, which is become 4. Okay. Hope you understand. Okay, let's try these question. Minus 5 minus 9. Minus 5 minus 9. Okay, whenever you have same sign, minus, it has become plus, right? Minus make plus. Because whenever you have same sign, so according to this one, it has become plus. Minus 5 plus 9. Okay, and the first digit, it is minus 5. So it is become minus 5 is here. Okay, but you have a plus 9, which means you need to go right hand side, 9 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need to go 9 unit right. Let's count now. This is become, what is the number after minus 5, which is minus 4, and this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why my answer, it is 4. Okay,